Dear students, a warm welcome for today's science class. I hope you all are doing well. What do you see here on the screen? We can see two rabbits and a cow eating food. Students, the topic we are going to study is feeding habits of animals. In this session, you will learn about feeding or eating habits of animals, under which you will study about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Next, you will learn about features of different plant-eating animals. Observe the following pictures carefully. Here we can see a cow eating grass, a giraffe eating leaves, a lion eating flesh and a bear eating a fish. We observe that different animals eat different kinds of food. They either eat plants or other animals. Children, why do animals need food? It helps them to grow. It gives them energy to work. It keeps them healthy. Healthy means to stay fit. Do you know, children, green plants make their own food, but animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food, as they cannot prepare food. Now let us start with the feeding habits of different animals. Based on what they eat, different animals are placed in different groups. Look at the flowchart. Animals have been grouped into three types: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Let us discuss these three types in detail. The first one is herbivores. Animals that feed only on plants are called herbivores or plant-eating animal. The term herbivore is made up of two words, herba and vorus. Herba means plant and vorus means eater. They are animals that only eat plants and plant material. Examples are zebra, goat, horse, cow, deer, etc. Our next group is carnivores. Animals that feed only on the flesh of other animals are called carnivores or flesh-eating animals. The term carnivores is made up of two words, carn and vorus. Carn means flesh and vorus means eater. They only eat flesh. Examples are snake, tiger, lion, wolf, etc. The next group is omnivores. Animals that feed on both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. The term omnivores is made up of two words, omni and vorus. Omni means all and vorus means eater, all eater. So they can eat both plant materials and flesh. They can eat more types of food than either herbivores or carnivores. Examples: crow, bear, human, cockroach, cat, dog, fox, etc. The next topic is features of plant-eating animals. Children, under this we will learn about features of grass-eating animals, then fruits, nuts and seeds-eating animals, and the last, other plant-eating animals like elephant and giraffe. Grass-eating animals. The herbivores or grass-eating animals have strong, broad, sharp biting teeth in front and grinding or chewing teeth at the back with space in between. Children, some of the animals like cows and buffaloes first swallow their food and after some time they bring it back into the mouth out of their stomach and begin to chew it. This is known as chewing the cud. Clear? Plant-eating animals have hooves on their feet. Hooves means the black horny part of the foot in a horse or other herbivorous animals. They have hooves on their feet. Key points to remember are herbivores like cow, deer and giraffe eat grass and leaves. They have sharp biting front teeth to cut the grass and leaves. They have broad and strong back teeth to chew the food. Cows and buffaloes bite the grass and swallow it. Later, they bring back the food into their mouth and chew it slowly. This activity is called chewing the cud. Now we will discuss about the features of fruits, nuts and seeds eating animals. Some herbivores like rabbits, rats, squirrels eat seeds, nuts and fruits. They have very sharp front teeth with which they nibble and gnaw at their food. Okay, this is called gnawing and the animals are called gnawers. Children, gnawing means biting off tiny bits of food with the front teeth repeatedly, and nibble means to bite gently and in small amounts. So you should remember that some herbivores like rats, squirrel and rabbits eat nuts and fruits and seeds. They have sharp front teeth with which they nibble and gnaw at their food. Gnawing means biting off tiny bits of food with the front teeth repeatedly. Children, let us study about some other plant-eating animals. The first animal is elephant. Elephants use their trunk to tear off grass and branches and put it in their mouth. You must be wondering, what is a trunk? Trunk is the strong nose of an elephant. Elephants have large grinding teeth to chew and grind their food. They also drink water with the help of their trunk. An elephant uses its trunk in doing many activities such as lifting logs of wood, drinking water and eating food. So, a few key points that you must keep in mind are: elephant, the biggest land animal, uses its long, thick and strong nose called trunk to grasp objects, drink or to wash itself. It uses its trunk for smelling the food. Trunk is also used for uprooting the plants, breaking branches and leaves. Elephants have large grinding teeth to chew and grind their food. Dear children, I hope you are enjoying the class and are able to understand what we have discussed till now. Now, let us study the features of giraffe. Herbivores like deer and giraffe eat grass and leaves. They have broad, flat and sharp front teeth to cut their food. A giraffe has a long neck. Its long neck helps it to eat the leaves of tall branches of the trees. So children, today we have learnt about feeding habits of different animals. We have learnt how these animals are grouped according to their feeding habits into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. We have also discussed about features of plant-eating animals, under which we have learnt features of grass-eating animals, then fruits, nuts and seeds eating animals, and the last, other plant-eating animals like elephant and giraffe. Now, the keywords are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, gnawing, cut, nibble and trunk. Children, please learn the spellings of these words thoroughly. That's all for today's session. We will continue our class in the next video, part 2. I hope you all enjoyed the class with me. Please go through the topics which we have learnt today and try to do the worksheet attached with this video on your own. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Thank you.